How to find posts and specific date in friends profile in Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your PC. Then, click on search at the top left corner of your screen and search for the friend. After that, in their profile, you'll find filters. Click on filters. Then select here. Select month. Then select day. After you've done that, press on done and the filter will search for the post of that specific date and will show you if there are no posts available. It's gonna show no post available. This is how to find post in specific date in friends profile and Facebook on PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.